Hi, in this video I will show you how to hide and unhide Snapchat charms. So the process is pretty simple. So if you are looking for how you can hide or unhide your charms on the Snapchat, you can simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on the chats. Now you have to select the one friend you want to hide the chat. So I select this one and click on the view friendship, and right here you will see charms on the below. So sorry, I simply click on it and scroll up and you will see multiple charms. So select any and you will see three dot icon on the top. This one, simply you have to tap on it and you won't find this, you won't hide this charm because not all charms will be hide. So I will select other, so you can hide this charm. And if you are Android user and you are looking for the how to unhide charms, so basically you are finding for the wrong. You can only unhide charms on the iPhone. So if you want to hide charms, simply follow this procedure, and hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.